All right now. Hello, my Taurus babies. Gotta excuse me. I just had me a little late lunch. Okay. Anyway, back to business. Okay, I'm still running my special. 1 question 10, 2 questions 20, 3 questions 30, and 3 sectors of my choosing or your liking will be 60. And it is a 30-minute reading. Okay. And I'm running it all the way until September 1st. All right, so we're going to get on into this weekly. I'm not going to hold you long. Okay. Spirit may be inviting you or trying to get you to come into your purpose and show you your not superpowers, but your supernatural strength. Okay. It may be somebody may have passed, and this may be someone who has passed on, who's looking over, trying to help you get through your life, or trying to get you to transition over to being the higher ranking divine being that you're supposed to be on earth. Trying to initiate you into being the earth angel, I'm getting. Yeah, this look like someone who's passed on that's helping you. Okay. The numbers 24 may be significant to you or may resonate with you. All right. You want my spirit. I can leave what's going on. Okay. I ain't playing. Anyway, I'm being nosy. Yeah, your heart chakra may need to be worked on. You may need to meditate in a quiet place. Okay, because both of these cards. This is coming out of this man's chest. You see what I'm saying? Heart chakra, baby. You're having a revelation. They're trying to tell you and show you to this divine power that you have. That you're a divine being that's walking on earth. The number 57 may be significant. Okay. All right, my child. What I got going on? Spirit on y'all. I want you to open up. That's what I'm calling this reading. Open up. See. All right. That's what we're going to call this. Yeah. You may need to go to a quiet place and meditate. Yeah. Through offering, even the most mundane problems can become a sacrament. Yeah, Spirit wants you to sit down and meditate, get in a quiet place, get in a good headspace, get in a good heart space, so you can get blessed with this divine power and be the divine being and give the messages or serve the masses how you're supposed to, because you've been chosen. Now it's time to walk in your purpose. Okay? It's definitely not going to be easy, but you got to do that. It's something that is written before you even born, okay? I see a little glare. I like that. I'm going to fix that camera. Okay. There you go. Brave spirit. Yeah, you have to be brave to be one of the chosen. You have to have a brave spirit, a tough skin. You know, this is not for the weak at heart. All right? You can do this. If you're being chosen, God knows you can do this. Spirit knows you can endure this process that it takes to become this. It's in your bloodline. That's what I'm hearing. It's in your bloodline. You ain't got no choice. All right? Okay, my Taurus. Let's see here. What else we got? Cards is sticking, baby. No. We're not going to take that. Come on, Spirit. Give me one, baby. All I need is one. Thank you. The Tower. Yeah, something happened. Someone passed on, and your initiation started from there, okay? It was a lot of chaotic moments that happened, you know, disastrous things, unexpected change. Like, it was an unexpected death. Okay, it was an unexpected death that happened that initiated you into your purpose. Oh, that's crazy. Not really, though. Okay. They said they couldn't be here. They had to go on the other side and help you. The number 16 might be significant to you. All right, now. Go ahead, speak, spirit. Ace of Cups. Yes, this is an offering. Okay, it's all an offering. Spirit wants you to open up. Open up. Receive this offering, and this may be a love offering. It may be, and I mean, hey, got the heart in the cup, baby. Hold me up. Okay, fine. Person wants you to pull them up. Oh, they'll pull. They'll drink your bath water. I'm finna go. I ain't finna do this all day with y'all. I'm not finna do this all day with y'all. Yeah, someone's not showing their true feelings. Someone is very hesitant. Making things all about them. And this may not even be a physical death. This may be just a death of a relationship. You know, when I say till death do us part, you don't necessarily have to die in order for the death to occur. Okay. Don't let that go over your head, baby. I said what I said. And I meant what I meant. Don't play with me. Don't. You went there. Yeah, don't play with me. You ain't necessarily got to die. You ain't got to be paid. Honey. Yeah, this may be a reconciliation or forgiveness of a family member. Okay. Something happened here. I'm not going to be nosy, but you know your story. You know how this resonates with you. And I hope you got something from this reading, because it's all I have for you today, my Taurus babies. Please, please like, share, subscribe. Okay? The channel grows when you like, watch, subscribe, all that. You feel what I'm saying? Okay? I love you. Go love on yourself. Go love on somebody else. Until next week, I love you. I love you. That's all I have.